Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to transfer Telegram group ownership to another member. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So in order to go ahead and transfer Telegram group ownership, the current owner must be a member for over 7 days or 2 days if they have 2FA enabled. All you need to do now is simply go ahead and open your Telegram, go to the group that you want to go ahead and transfer ownership on and click on the group name on the top. Now, what you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the person that you want to go ahead and transfer the ownership to. And firstly, you want to go ahead and make them the admin. If you don't know how to go ahead and make them admin, you can simply go ahead and go into your group settings, and then here you want to simply go ahead into your members tab and then click on the member you want to go ahead and make an admin, and you can simply go ahead and turn that on. You can also go ahead and turn on add new admins right over here once you've made them the admin, and click on transfer group ownership. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.